The next question: which of the following printers generate character from a grid? Inkjet, laser, daisy wheel, dot matrix. It is dot matrix. In MS Word, Alt+Shift+D does what? It automatically inserts the date. What does Control+Escape do? Control+Escape, does it show the start menu, shows the format menu, tools menu, insert menu? It shows the start menu. Which of the following best defines embedded system? Which of the following best defines embedded system? A program that comes wrapped in a box, program that is permanently part of a computer, computer that is part of a large computer, computer and software system that controls a machine. It is the fourth option. Digital video consists of a series of media clips, captures, frames, pictures. Digital video consists of frames. Which of the following is not an example of system maintenance? Replacing user interfaces, making backup copies of files, adding, deleting, adjusting records, providing system security. Which is not an example of system maintenance. It is replacing user interfaces. If you change Windows 98 to Windows XP, you are actually performing it is upgrade. Make a copy of the current document to disk. Use the save command. This cannot be done. Use the duplicate command. Copy the document. To make a copy of the current document to disk, use save as command. Your position in the text is shown by a cursor. When a pointer is positioned on a dash, it is shaped like a hand. It is hyperlink. A device which is not connected to CPU is called landline device, online device, offline device, device. Device which is not connected to CPU is called offline device. The first graphical web browsers are Binge, Edge, All the Web, Mosaic, www. It is Mosaic. The term overflow means an excess of internal storage, excess of external storage, a situation where the code cannot fit into its right place, a device which controls the level of humidity in the computer room. It is an excess of internal storage. Rotational delay time is also known as rotational delay time, is also known as rotational delay time, is also known as seek time, shift time, latency, access time. It is latency.